Hello, beautiful people. Welcome once again to Ebenezer's Recipes. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're a new subscriber, thank you and welcome to the family. In today's video, I share with you a simple Jamaican rice and peas alongside steamed cabbage and sweet plantain, guys. I'm excited to share this recipe with you all. Let's get right into the ingredients. I'll be using small red beans, which I'll thoroughly wash and soak in water for 2 hours. I have jasmine rice, coconut milk, fresh thyme, habanero pepper, onion, allspice. Also have my butter, 8 cloves of garlic. I have fresh ginger, half a tablespoon of salt, and let's get started. In a pot, I'll add 10 cups of water to my beans. The water should be enough to cook the beans and also the rice. I add in my cloves of garlic and a half size of my onion. And then I'll cover to let that cook for about 45 to 1 hour. So 30 minutes of the beans being cooked. I'll go ahead and check the beans to see if it has made any progress, and it looks like we need to continue cooking it. So I'll then cover and let that cook for about 35 minutes. It's been about 35 minutes and I will check my beans to see if it has been cooked. So I'll grab one of the beans to see if it's been cooked, and it is just perfect, and we are ready to add in the other ingredients. So I'll go ahead and add my peeled fresh ginger, my green scallion, also will add my fresh thyme and my habanero pepper or scotch bonnet, and then I will add in my allspice. I'll make sure to list all the detailed ingredients in my description. I'll then go ahead and give it a mix, and then I add in my coconut milk. Authentic Jamaican rice and peas always need coconut milk, guys. I'll go ahead and add in my butter, and then I'll add in my 4 cups of rice. You can wash your rice if you prefer, and then I'll give everything a stir. So guys, in my teenage years, I used to work at a Jamaican restaurant as a server and also a cashier. And that is how I was able to come up with this recipe, guys. An amazing recipe, and I hope everyone tries it. So I went ahead and added in half a tablespoon of salt, and I gave my rice a stir. And then I covered to let it cook. And once the water dissolves into the rice, I'll go ahead and use a large fork to mix my rice. Yes, I like using forks because the fork does not break the rice into small pieces. I always recommend you use a fork, and then I'll use the fork to kind of create well or poke holes in the middle of the rice so that the vapor can easily cook the rice. And when you do that, it cooks in no time. Within 10 minutes, your rice should be perfectly cooked, guys. And look at how delicious and amazing the rice look, guys. So I'll go ahead and use a fork to mix it very well. And guys, if you don't like your rice too mushy, you can definitely do 8 cups of water instead of 10 cups. Yes, but this is a perfect texture. And I'm gonna squish one of the beans for you to see, and look at it. It is perfectly cooked. And guys, there is no Jamaican rice and peas without steamed cabbage and fried plantain. Yes, so in this pot here, I have peppers, I have onion, I have fresh thyme, also have scotch bonnet, also called habanero pepper, and then green scallion all cut up. And then I will add in my cabbage, which is shredded cabbage and carrot, a coleslaw mix. I'll season it with black pepper and salt, and you can also add curry, which is optional. I'll go ahead and mix everything together. And then guys, why do Jamaicans call it steamed cabbage? The sweat from the cabbage and the vapor will steam everything together, and that is why they call it steamed cabbage. I'll then go ahead and heat up some oil and add my cut up sweet plantains, and guys, I seasoned it with just a little bit of salt. I will be frying it until it is golden brown. I'll make sure to turn them over to get the other side cooked. All right, so my cabbage is perfectly steamed and it looks great. All right, so I'll then go ahead and give it a mix, and it is ready to be set on the side. And then we'll go over and check our sweet plantain, guys. All right, so I'll go ahead and turn my plantains over so the other side can cook as well, and it is ready to be taken out. So I am ready to serve dinner. And guys, my sweet plantain is perfectly browned and it looks beautiful, and dinner is served. I have rice and peas, also have jerk chicken, which I'll be sharing the recipe very soon. I have my sweet plantain on the side and steamed cabbage. Please comment down below and let me know how this Jamaican plate looks, guys. This is an authentic Jamaican rice and peas. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for staying until this time. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification so anytime I upload, you'll be notified. Thank you. God bless you, and please stay safe. Bye, guys.